Oke teman-teman, ketemu lagi bersama saya Gara Anggara. Di malam ini kita akan ada momen menarik ya. Kita akan ngeprank orang yang jualan es krim yang biasanya kalau dia kasih es krim diajakin buat kita. Sekarang giliran kita untuk ngajakin dia dengan duit ya. Oke, simak lengkapnya. Come on, go. Yes, nice. Come on. Hello. Yes, hello. Where is she, man? Yes, hello. Come on. Yes, nice. Yeah, nice. Come on. Yes.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
Yes, nice.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Yes, nice. Yes. Thank you. Yes.
Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him.
Hello, welcome, ladies.
Welcome. Kaca. No.
Hello.
Gantian, oke, gantian. Ya. Slow.
Yes, nice. Come on. Hello. Yeah. Nice. Where is she?
Got him.
Yes.
Got him.
Yes.
Got him. Got him.
Yeah. Yes. Come on. Hey.
Got him. Got him.
Kaca. Yes, nice.
Oh no, gagal. Gantian, aku yang kerjain dia. Barusan
dong lah kan?
barusan dia ngajak aku. Dia kasih es krim, ada ajak. Sekarang aku kasih duit. Buat dia ajak. Oke, langsung saja. Oke, let's go.
Wait, next. Come on, guys. Now, enjoy it. Yeah. Huh? Yes. Where is she?
Got him.
Hello. Yes.
Got him.
Yes. Yes.
Combo. That ain't Falco.
Okay.
Got him.
Ten more.
Con mẹ về nha, mua đồ chơi về cho con ha.
Thanks so much.
Got him.